Have you ever wondered how to grow plants from store-bought seed packets? Today, we're exploring this simple, cost-effective method of expanding your garden. It's an easy, affordable process with numerous benefits. By the end of this video, you will have a new skill that you can use to grow your garden. The first step is choosing the right seeds. High-quality seeds are crucial for a successful garden. Always read the packet information. Consider factors like plant type, growth conditions, and planting season. Now that you've got your seeds, it's time to start the planting process. The next step is to plant your seeds. Picture this. You're preparing the soil, making it a welcoming home for the seeds. You then gently place each seed at the correct depth as directed by the packet instructions. It's like tucking them into bed. Finally, you provide a gentle shower of water, not too much, just enough to quench their thirst. Remember, following the packet instructions is key. With the seeds in the ground, now comes the waiting game. Once your seeds sprout, they'll need your care. Now is the time to ensure they get plenty of sunlight and water. Be careful not to overwater though, as this could lead to root rot. A nutrient-rich fertilizer can help promote growth, but remember, less is often more. Thinning your seedlings ensures each one has room to thrive. Watch out for signs of healthy growth like strong stems and vibrant leaves. Beware of yellowing or wilting, as these could indicate a problem. With proper care, your seedlings will grow into healthy, mature plants. Growing plants from store-bought seed packets is a rewarding process. We've walked through the steps, choosing the right seeds, planting them, and caring for the seedlings. Now, it's your turn to experience the joy and fulfillment of watching your plants grow from tiny seeds. Remember, it's not just about the end result, but the journey of nurturing life in your own garden. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!